Your AI agents need a cost meter before they need a bigger brain. That is the useful takeaway from a new Stanford Digital Economy Lab piece, asking a very operator-flavored question. How are AI agents spending your tokens? Not, can they plan? Not, can they click around a website? The better question is, when an agent does a task for you, what did it actually spend to get there? In tokens, retries, tool calls, approvals, mistakes, and human cleanup. Because if you run a team, build products, create content, or sell software, this changes the playbook. The winners will not be the teams that add the most agents. The winners will be the teams that know which agents are worth running. Here is the shift. Normal software has a boring cost shape. You pay a subscription, people use it, maybe you pay per seat. The interface is still human-paced. Agents are different. An agent can think in loops. It can call tools, it can search again, it can retry, it can turn one innocent request, find the best customer leads for this campaign, into a long chain of hidden work. Sometimes that is worth it. If an agent saves a sales rep 2 hours, prepares a support case, or helps a developer test a risky change, a few dollars of compute is boring. But if nobody is measuring it, the same agent becomes a tiny casino in your workflow. Every task pulls the lever. Sometimes you get a clean answer. Sometimes you get 20 tool calls, 3 retries, and a human still fixing the output. So stop thinking of agents as magic coworkers. Start thinking of them as metered workers. Here is the playbook. First, track cost per completed job, not cost per prompt. A prompt is not the business unit. The business unit is one qualified lead list, one resolved ticket, one edited video brief, one reconciled invoice, one tested pull request. If the agent spends 10 cents on a task that saves 20 minutes, great. If it spends $2 to produce something your team rewrites anyway, that is not automation. That is expensive theater. Second, separate thinking cost from action risk. Reasoning burns tokens. Actions create exposure. Sending a customer email, changing a CRM record, moving money, updating production data. Those are not the same as drafting a summary. For low-risk work, let the agent move faster. For high-risk work, add gates, human approval, audit logs, budgets, and clear stop conditions. Third, cap the loops. An agent that never knows when to stop is not autonomous. It is just unsupervised spending. Give it a maximum number of tool calls. Give it a token budget. Give it a deadline. And give it permission to say, I do not have enough confidence to finish this. That one sentence can save you a lot of fake productivity. Fourth, judge agents by workflow, not demo. Demos look amazing because the task is clean. Real work is messy. Customer data is incomplete. Internal docs contradict each other. Permissions are weird. The spreadsheet has 3 versions. So do not ask, can the agent do this once? Ask, can it do this 50 times with a predictable bill, a low error rate, and a clear human handoff? That is the difference between a cool agent and an operational system. Fifth, watch for agent sprawl. Marketing wants a research agent. Sales wants a lead agent. Support wants a ticket agent. Finance wants a reconciliation agent. Engineering wants a testing agent. Some of those will be valuable. Some will just move cost from payroll into compute, subscriptions, and review time. So build a simple scorecard. For every recurring agent workflow, track 5 numbers: completion rate, human correction time, average cost per finished job, risk level, and business value. If you only track one thing, track this: cost per useful result. Useful results, not token count, not a benchmark, not a pretty agent demo. Useful results. This is where small teams can punch above their weight. Big companies may buy giant platforms and spend months building governance committees. A small operator can move faster by being brutally specific. Pick one workflow, define the results, set a budget, run 20 examples, compare against a human baseline. Keep the agent if it saves time with acceptable risk. Kill it if it mostly creates review work. That is not anti-AI. That is how AI becomes real. The next wave of adoption will not just be about intelligence. It will be about accounting. Who knows what the agent did? What did it cost? What did it touch? What did it actually improve? If you can answer those questions, you can scale agents safely. If you cannot, you are not building an AI workforce. You are installing a very confident expense line. So the operator takeaway is simple. Before you add another agent, add the meter. Track the job, cap the loop, price the result, keep the workflows where the math works, cut the ones where the magic is mostly vibes. Because in the agent era, the edge is not having more automation than everyone else. The edge is knowing which automation is actually paying rent.